Hello and welcome to Slow Spoken English. My name is Diana.
G'day, I'm Richard. It's great to be with you today. In this podcast, we have simple, natural conversations to help you learn English.
We are so glad you are here. If you want to improve your English listening, please hit the subscribe button now. You won't miss any of our future lessons.
Today, we are going to practice something very important, asking for help. Sometimes, when you are in a new city, you might get lost, or you might need to find a place.
That's right. Knowing how to ask for directions or help is a very useful skill. We will practice a few common situations. Let's imagine we are on a street in Sydney.
Okay, I will go first. I will pretend I am lost. I will ask Diana for help. Excuse me, can you help me please?
Of course. How can I help?
I'm looking for the nearest train station.
The nearest train station. I see. Go straight on this road for about 2 blocks. Then, turn right at the big bookstore. You will see the station.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome.
Now let's practice a different situation. Imagine you are not feeling well and need to find a doctor or a pharmacy.
This is a very important one. Let's try. Excuse me, I'm sorry to bother you, but I'm not feeling well. Can you tell me where the nearest doctor is?
Oh, of course. There is a medical center just around the corner. Go to the end of the street and turn left. You will see a big green sign that says Medical Center.
Thank you. Is there a pharmacy there too?
Yes, there is a pharmacy inside the medical center. I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you for your kindness.
Now let's check if you understood our conversation. We have 3 questions for you.
Question 1. In the first conversation, what was Richard looking for?
The answer is the nearest train station. Richard asked, I'm looking for the nearest train station.
Question 2. What direction did I give Richard? Did I say turn left or turn right at the bookstore?
The answer is turn right. I said turn right at the big bookstore.
And question 3. In the second conversation, where is the pharmacy?
The answer is the pharmacy is inside the medical center. This is a good example of listening for details.
Great work. Now, let's recap the important words and phrases from today. Listen carefully and repeat if you can.
Excuse me. We use this to get someone's attention politely.
Can you help me? A simple way to ask for assistance.
I'm looking for. Use this to say what you want to find. For example, I'm looking for a bank.
Nearest. This means the closest one, the nearest station.
Turn right and turn left. Important words for directions.
You're welcome. This is a polite reply after someone says thank you.
And that ends our beginner English lesson for today. We hope this lesson was helpful for you. We keep beginner lessons short and sweet. We know when you are a beginner, it is most difficult to retain a lot of new words at once. Plus, everyone is short on time these days.
Remember, practice is the best way to get more confident. Listen to this episode again to practice the words and sentences.
If you liked this episode, please hit the like button. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe so you get all of our new lessons. They come out every week.
Thank you for listening to Slow Spoken English. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye for now. Cheers.